Super Bowl 2023 The Flash trailer. The Flash Super Bowl 2023 trailer really impressed me. In spite of the controversies around this movie, from the visual standpoint, it was really brilliant to me. What I really like is the clarity of the pictures. Although it's very fast and there is a lot of VFX going on, it's never a mess to me. And because I've always been a superhero geek, I've already made a Wonder Woman logo tutorial, a Black Adam logo animation breakdown, and of course the Flash lightning effect tutorial without plugins, just with native effects. And it was good to see that the lightning stroke effects in the current trailer haven't changed significantly since the Flash appeared in Zack Snyder's Justice League. Still, there are some minor things that I would do differently now, and this is why I want to give you an update of it. Not as a revamped tutorial, but as a little giveaway. Not only because of the current events, also because I got feedback that my original tutorial was a bit too fast-paced. Maybe I wanted to be as fast as the Flash. I want to give away an improved, streamlined After Effects project file with a lightning stroke now editable in 3D space, which, for example, makes it easier to 3D track the effect into video. Okay, let's break down the project file. This looks a bit overwhelming at first, but when I activate the Shine mode, you can see that the core consists of just these 4 layers. This is the shape layer with simple wiggled strokes animated with a trim paths operator. These 2 solids contain the CC particle world effect emitting sparks, very simple particles. And this is the layer where the magic happens. There is a fill operator where you can set the color, a calculations effect that blends the original white strokes on top, a turbulent displace effect that adds some detail, and finally a camera lens blur effect, a glow effect, and a chromatic aberrations effect that are responsible for the typical look. And when we turn off the Shine mode, the additional layers are just null layers you can edit the stroke with. And the good thing is, you can move the null layers into 3D space, which is based on my 3D stroke tutorial. Just play around with the setup. For example, why not giving each stroke its own color? That's it, guys. You can download the project file for free. The link is in the description below. As I mentioned, it's reduced to a few layers and to 0 pre-comps, but it's still based on the same techniques of my initial tutorial. I think it's worth to watch because I additionally explained some useful VFX compositing methods for the heat waves and the subsurface scattering. See you next time.